Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use mouse utilities in Microsoft PowerToys step by step. Mouse utilities include several helpful features that make it easier to find your mouse pointer, highlight mouse clicks, and improve presentations or screen recordings. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerToys on your Windows computer and select Mouse Utilities from the list of tools on the left. Make sure the utility is enabled by turning on the main toggle if it isn't already. You'll now see several features that you can customize. Next, enable Find My Mouse if you often lose track of your cursor. By default, you can activate it by pressing the Control key twice, and the screen will dim while a spotlight highlights your mouse pointer. Yeah, this is especially useful when working with large monitors or multiple displays. You can also turn on Mouse Highlighter to display colorful visual effects whenever you click the left or right mouse button. I mean, this feature is perfect for tutorials, online classes, and presentations because it makes every mouse click easy for viewers to follow. Another useful option is Mouse Pointer Crosshairs, which displays crosshair lines across the screen to help you locate the exact position of your cursor. You can customize the activation shortcut, colors, line thickness, and other settings to match your preferences. Take a few moments to explore the available options and adjust each feature to suit your workflow. PowerToys saves your settings automatically, so your mouse utilities will be ready whenever you use your computer, and that's it. You now know how to use mouse utilities in Microsoft PowerToys to make your cursor easier to see and improve your productivity. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.